Hi everyone, I'm here on this lovely Friday with Bobby and James, and I realized that I never taught glued sounds with the NG at the end. We've done NK, you mean remember an onk and ank and
You've
onk,
done ing.
but I did ing with you guys, but we hadn't learned the other glued sounds in the NG family, okay? So let's go through them. ING, ring, ing.
UNG, long.
Let's try it again. ANG, fang, ang.
UNG, long, ONG, song,
Beautiful. UNG. I mean,
it's ring and thing, and we haven't done those yet.
yeah. So let's try and think of another word that could go in the ang family. So we have fang, okay? And I was saying that we represent that it's a glued sound by putting a box around it. Because the sounds in a glued sound make a different sound than they do on their own. It's not like a digraph where they say one sound, where two letters say one sound. They are three letters that are glued together. You still hear them, but they sound different, okay? So I doesn't say it anymore. N doesn't say n, and g doesn't say, and G doesn't say g. Together they say ing, okay? Together ANG says ang. UNG says ung, and ONG says ong. So guys, I want you to think of another word to go in the ANG family. So we have fang, we have fang. Trang. Trang works, but trang isn't. Wang works, but let's try and think of real words.
Twang.
How about the word sang?
Oh, yes.
Bobby, can you spell sang for me?
S-A-N-K.
That's good, sank. But try sang.
S-A-N-K. No, it's not that. G.
G, because you still spelled sang. But A&G says what?
What? A-N-G. Ang.
What does UNG say?
Bobby.
Bobby, what does UNG say?
Oh,
Right. And so we know the word lung. Can you guys spell the word sung?
S-A-N-G.
Nope, or are you doing UNG?
S-A-N-K. No, S-U-N-G.
Beautiful, sung. What about stung?
Stung.
Stung.
Ooh, you got stung.
What about stung?
S-T-U-N-G.
Beautiful, stung. What word is this?
Oh, stung.
ONG says what?
Oh, U-N-G.
ONG says
Song.
ong, as in song. Can you guys spell? This is a tricky one.
Mom.
Bobby, one tricky one to end today.
Can I do it?
Strong. Spell the word, spell it for me, I'll write it. Strong. So spell it.
S-T-R-O-N-G.
Beautiful. So we have a blend at the beginning, S-T-R. Bobby, I heard you stretching that word out, and that was really cool. Ong. Strong. Okay? So just to review, today, James, Bobby, and myself worked on glued sounds with NG. So we have ING.
Today's a PJ day.
Today's a PJ day. ING, ANG, UNG, and ONG. Say goodbye. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.